Good day everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about how you can make a passive income from Redbubble. Yes, even when you are asleep, those dollars will be rolling in. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more advice on how to make money online. Stay tuned to find out from which app, what you can earn, and some tips to definitely be successful. So with Redbubble, you can use photos that you took and post them on items that Redbubble has to offer, like bags and t-shirts, coffee mugs, pillowcases, etc. Or you can even go make your own designs. One website I like to use is called Canva. They have a multiple of free elements and images that's available for you to use. And you can even add text to your designs. Then, to get the pixels correct on those images you want to use, you can just head over to Paint. You can right click on your image and open it up in Paint, and then you will click on Size or Resize, and then you can go and click on Pixels, and then you can just insert the pixels that's required on Redbubble to actually display your image a little bit better on the items. And if you go check out there and Google, you can actually see that there's a couple of apps that you can use to draw or design or paint your own designs and then save them in the pixels you require from the beginning. So what can you earn on Redbubble? You can earn anything from $1 to $10 or even more, depends on the item that you saw. I've also done a lot of research on YouTube before I actually started on Redbubble, and I've actually come across pages of people that can earn anything from $600 to $2,000 to $20,000 per month. They used to pay the creators on Redbubble monthly. Doesn't matter the amount, but now they have a policy where you have to have $20 a minimum to pay out. So let's say you didn't make your $20 this month, then that money won't disappear. They'll just carry it over, and then as soon as you have your $20, you can cash out. After regular sales, I would advise you to mark up your designs so you can earn a little bit more profit. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It can take up to a few months for you to make your first sale. So just keep on designing to get more buyers to view your designs. The more sales you get, the more Redbubble will promote your products. Also, expand on designs that are actually good sellers. Make similar designs, because if those designs are selling, or those products with your design is selling, obviously if you make similar designs, they will sell, or people might go back to your page and find these different designs that are quite similar, and you might actually get more sales on designs that are similar to designs that is already getting a lot of sales. Yes, so this is actually a great way to make a passive income, because Redbubble makes everything and ship it to your customers. You just have to bring an awesome design. They do pay out through PayPal, so if you don't have a PayPal account, just head over to Google and search for PayPal, and then you will create an account with your email and your phone number. It takes about 2 minutes, and then you're all set up. Then you can also link your South African bank account, or if you are from anywhere else in the world, you can also link your bank account. PayPal is worldwide and Redbubble is also worldwide. Okay, so here's some tips to be a little bit more successful on Redbubble. It is important to have a logo, a heading, a profile picture, and a cover image to attract more buyers to your store, because you actually have your own little store on Redbubble, so you can attract more buyers and viewers and get more sales. I also saw that it's good to follow trends, because you might get a lot of sales, but that is if you're not gonna land on the 100th page of all the designs that's already there, because it is a trending design. So I would say it is best to follow your own interest and make your own unique designs, because then you might fall into a smaller category and your product might be third on the landing page that the customer is searching for. Also, you can start an Instagram page or a Facebook page to get a little bit more exposure. There's probably 50 products that Redbubble is offering to their artists that you can put your design on. I would advise that you put your design on every single product, because people might be interested in your design on multiple surfaces, not just mugs or pillowcases or t-shirts. Okay, so that is it for Redbubble. If you would like me to go a little bit deeper into Redbubble, please drop your comments down below and let me know. Also, like this video if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more advice on how to make money online, and also hit that notification button if you would like to be notified when my next video will be coming out. Toodles!